Jeya Seafood Restaurant, located in the heart of Rameswaram town. From the moment you arrive, the vibrant signboard welcomes you into a buzzing space full of life. Step inside during peak hours and you'll witness a packed house, laughter, conversations, and the unmistakable aroma of fresh seafood in the air. Behind the scenes, the kitchen never stops. Prawns, crabs, squid, everything is cooked fresh, right on the flame. Every sizzle tells a story, and every dish carries the taste of the sea straight to your plate. And behind this culinary journey is a man whose passion has turned flavor into a legacy. Let's hear it in his own words.
என் பேர் மணிகண்டன். நான் வந்து தூத்துக்குடி விவிஜே காலேஜில் வந்து ஹோட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் படிச்சிருக்கேன். படிச்சுட்டு வந்து ராம்நாடு க்ரீன் பார்க் ஹோட்டலில் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக வேலை பார்த்தேன். அது முடிச்சுட்டு ஷிப்பிங் கோர்ஸ் படித்தேன். ஜிபி ரேட்டிங் ஒரு கோர்ஸ். அது முடிச்சுட்டு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கப்பலுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணேன். பாம்பேயில் போய் ட்ரை பண்ணி ஒரு 6 மாதத்தில் வேலை கிடச்சிது. ஒரு 15 வருஷம் ஷிப்பில் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன். குக்காக போனேன், அப்புறம் மாஸ்டர் ஆனேன், அப்புறம் செஃப் ஆகிட்டு எல்லாம் ஓகே செட்டில் ஆகிட்டு வந்தாச்சு. இப்போ வந்து சொந்த ஊரில் வந்து ஒரு கடை வச்சுருக்கேன். நிறைவாக போய்கிட்டு இருக்கு. மக்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு நல்ல கடல் உணவத்தை வந்து கொடுக்கணும்னு சொல்லி நான் பிளான் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Here's where the real magic unfolds. Fresh prawns hitting the hot pan, crabs bubbling in rich masala, and fish sizzling to golden perfection. The aroma fills the air, drawing you in before the first bite. Every dish is cooked with care, layered with local spices, and served with soul. A meal here is more than just seafood. Served hot on a banana leaf, it's a feast. From perfectly boiled eggs to crispy fried chicken and their signature special rice. Every element on the plate is made to satisfy, blending comfort and bold flavors in every bite. And then comes the star of the spread, their special biryani. Fragrant, richly spiced, and layered with tender meat, this isn't your average plate of rice. Each grain carries flavor, slow cooked to perfection with a recipe that's been mastered over the years. Served steaming hot, it's the kind of dish that keeps people coming back, a true celebration of taste. If you think the variety ends there, think again. The kitchen shifts gears as the wok fires up for a round of fried rice. With each toss, rice dances with veggies, egg, and that smoky flavor only a seasoned pan can deliver. Alongside, golden fried chicken is crisp to perfection. Juicy on the inside, crispy outside, spiced just right. And it doesn't stop there. Mutton curry, pepper chicken, prawn masala, each dish crafted with bold flavors and a homely touch. It's fast-paced, yet every plate reflects care and consistency. Whether you're after something fiery or comforting, there's something here for every non-veg lover. Made fresh, served hot, and full of soul. It's not just about non-veg here. The heart of South Indian tradition is served daily with comforting classics. Hot sambar slow-simmered with lentils, tangy rasam bursting with spice and soul, and a colourful spread of vegetable curries made fresh every morning. Each dish holds a memory, the kind passed down through generations, seasoned with tradition and love. Whether it's drumstick curry, cabbage puriyal or kutu, everything is cooked the way home would do it. And as the clock ticks past noon, the kitchen shifts into high gear. Orders come flying in, dine-in, parcel, family packs. The team moves like clockwork, packing hot meals with speed and care, making sure no one leaves hungry. From early hours till late lunch, this place doesn't stop. Whether you're seated at a table or grabbing a takeaway on the go, one thing is certain: good food, made with heart, is always on the menu. Around here, food isn't just cooked, it's celebrated. From the simplicity of a perfectly cooked rice with hot sambar to the layered richness of biryani packed with flavor and tradition, each plate tells a story. The kitchen is always alive, bubbling pots, fragrant steam, and the sound of ladles stirring dishes that feel both familiar and comforting. Watch as the team works in sync, scooping rice, ladling curries, and plating up meals that are fresh, fast, and full of flavor. It's this rhythm that keeps the day flowing. At one corner, biryani is being prepared, slow-cooked with spices, sealed with aroma. Just nearby, the wok lights up with energy as fried rice is tossed over flames, eggs cracked, and chicken stirred in with bold masalas. There's something theatrical about it. Fast hands, flying ingredients, and the sizzling sound that makes you hungry even before you see the plate. And while the kitchen keeps moving, the heart of this place is its people. Customers walk in, regulars who know exactly what to order, travelers eager for a local taste, families sharing a meal on banana leaves, and solo diners soaking in the vibe. Smiles, satisfied bites, second servings. These moments say more than words. Here, the goal is simple. Serve good food, fast and fresh, and make sure every person leaves with a full stomach and a happy heart. Whether you're coming in for a quick lunch or packing a meal for the road, there's a reason this place feels like home to so many. As the plates keep coming, the flavors only get richer. Biryani, fried rice, gravies, and sides, creating a feast for every kind of appetite. But now, let's take you behind the scenes, to the soul of the kitchen, where tradition still burns bright. Here, seafood isn't just cooked, it's honored. On the old wooden fire stove, flames meet fresh catch. The aroma of wood smoke blends with ground masalas as prawns, crab, and fish cook slowly in clay pots and thick-bottomed vessels. There's no shortcut here, no fancy equipment, just experience, patience, and recipes that have lived through generations. Every stir, every sprinkle of spice is done by hand. You can taste the earthiness of the firewood, the boldness of the chili, the sharpness of garlic. It's raw, real, and deeply satisfying. This is the kind of cooking that takes you back to coastal homes, to festive gatherings, to family kitchens where stories were shared over meals. And that's what makes this place special. Not just the food, but the feeling. A blend of flavor, tradition, and warmth that stays with you long after the last bite. If you're ever near the coast and craving something truly unforgettable, you now know where to stop.